few moments later. A few.
So yes guys, this is a deep meaning video for me that I'm doing for you guys. That's because I care and I want to do it, sending a message to everyone that it's okay to be vulnerable, but you need to stand up again. When you're vulnerable, stand up and push yourself again, because that's very important. And what you're not changing, you are choosing. I always tell you guys this. So people may have their opinions, and what you stand for, don't give up on it. Don't change it. Don't let anyone tell you, no, but it's like this, no, but it's like that. You, if you know that that is not good for you, that is not right for you, who are they to tell you? Who are they to tell you what is good for you and what is not good for you? You know yourself, get to know yourself, don't push yourself too hard. Make 2026 something that you want to remember, that you tried and you are happy, you didn't follow anyone's opinion, you didn't push yourself or compare yourself to others, you know, you decided to be yourself. Instead of always saying, I could have, I should have, why aren't you doing it now? You tell me. You could literally do it now. What's stopping you? So my YouTube video today, appreciation is important in life. Good that you know what you want in life. It's not always going to look how you want it to look, but it's always good to enjoy it. Life is not always, because you may be going through some crap, yes, deep crap, and you feel like, oh, that girl is enjoying more life than me, yet you don't know also she's just putting the face for social media and other people. So don't follow what you see on the internet, you know, that's what I've learned. And comparison, don't compare yourself. It's good to not even bother, not even care, don't stress. It's good to live your life. You only live this life, so make it count. So when you go in your older ages, you know that you lived your life without comparing what you're not happy with. So I am making this happy. No more being vulnerable, ever. I am putting myself first. I always tell you guys this. All my videos, you know, I say put yourself first, because I really mean it. People take advantage of, and you're not being a bad person, you're just being selfish and helping yourself. So yeah. Anyways, what do you guys think of my fit? Okay. But that's not the case right now. Just want to say I am proud of you. You may think that I don't know what you're going through right now, but whatever you're going through, and it will go. So don't push yourself too much, but push yourself as well, so you can be a better person. So yes, push yourself too much, but push it to the extent where you know you're helping yourself. And I hope this will bring something to you, as it will most probably bring something. And no one told me this, so I was like, because I didn't post what video should I post, but I don't know what to post. And here I am posting for you guys, and I'm glad I'm doing this video. Never thought one day I would actually do such a video, and yes, I am here doing it. So yeah, why do I sound like Wiz Liz? But thank you guys, and be yourself, be the amazing, beautiful person that you are. Don't let anyone change you, define you. Their opinions don't matter. I always tell you guys this, no one's opinion is a fact. You should know that by now. I've always been telling you guys this. Oh, the wind is making it crazy. But yeah, you should know this by now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.